Hey guys, I'm Jake Thomas Biz, and I'm here with another Zippo trick for y'all. Let's double snap. Here we go. Simple, but can hurt. Now, it's called the double snap because you're snapping twice. If you can snap or you can go through the motion, you're fine. But if you notice while you're snapping, your middle finger moves, and that's what you use to manipulate this trick. Seems easy. For a beginner, they would go, or even to start, they would miss it completely. Like, what? Because they don't understand that they're flicking the lid with their finger. Now watch. Simple. Now for this trick, I wouldn't suggest trying so close, so fast. I'd come out a little bit, and move in little by little until you hit that striker wheel. And try it again. A little closer. A little closer. Until you can do it the first time every time. Now, you don't want to do this trick all the time or even practice all the time because it will start hurting after a while. Putting pressure on your finger and taking off real fast will hurt after a while. Finger's starting to hurt after about 10 times. But it's a neat little trick. Nothing to it once you get to know how to do it. I don't suggest, like I said, starting way too early because you have a tendency to hit your finger on that chimney. And it does hurt. Trust me. Especially when it's hot. It does hurt. I'm Drake Thomas Biz here with Hill Snap. My name is Transmission.